quote Homer Simpson, how many times have you had one of those dull moments when you realise that you really shouldn't have sent an email? Here's the good news. We have a couple of options that can help you. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Both of these are available in options, and while I'm showing them to you in Outlook on the web, the great news is that they are also available in new Outlook desktop. First thing to do is open up the settings, which is over here in the top right-hand corner. And we want to choose from email, which is automatically selected, compose and reply. Scrolling down, the first one that I'd love to show you is reply or reply all. I bet that quite often you've been one of a number of people who have been copied into an email and you think, I don't want to reply to everybody. But you accidentally click a button and it does. So instead, choose exactly which is the default response, reply or reply to all. Now, I'm going to recommend that you want reply. You want to make sure that when you click that button, the reply is going to be sent as standard back to the sender and not everybody who is included in the message. So I'm going to click Save and I'm going to close it. Changing that option means that you have changed the default reply to all message that Outlook seems to have set up now back to reply. You can still click the reply and reply to all buttons to choose the one that you want, but this means that you shouldn't accidentally send that thank you message to the entire company when you just wanted to send it back to the one person. I can't tell you the number of times that I have just quickly typed a message and hit send and then realise I've made a mistake, which can include mistyping my own name. Let me show you the command that will help you with that. Into settings, back into compose and reply, but now we're scrolling down past the reply to the command undo send. And what this will let you do is when you hit send, you have some time to undo the send command. First thing you need to do is choose how long that time is. It actually gives you two choices, 5 seconds or 10 seconds, and I think I'd rather have 10 seconds. I don't know about you, but that little bit of thinking time after I've automatically hit send can't be a bad thing. So I'm going to click save and I'm going to close it. And now when I create an email, undo send, and send it as normal. Now I've got 10 seconds, and if I suddenly think, oh my gosh, I shouldn't have done that, I can click undo, and what it immediately does is it brings it back as an editable email. So it's not that it undoes a sent message, it stops the send in its tracks during that period that you've chosen. Now I can write it, edit it, delete it, whatever I want to do. And of course, if I do hit send and I leave it for my time, remember I set it as 10 seconds, that message will go away and I will receive the email that I've just sent to myself. Two options that I think you'll find quite useful. So that is the default reply or reply to all and the undo send. Found these tips useful? Then click the like button on the video and remember to click subscribe and hit that notification bell to be told as new videos are released. I'll see you in the next video. If you've recently started using the new Outlook desktop application compared to Classic, then you're going to want to sign up and get access to my spreadsheet where I'm recording all of the differences that I'm finding as I go through what's been removed, what doesn't work, and what's been added. This is free. You simply need to sign up. You will be joining my mailing list and you'll get access to the latest version as I update things. The link is displayed below or in the description. Click on the options to expand the description depending on which application you're using.